Hey there, welcome to Faire's Ask Us Anything. I'm Sara.
And I'm Eliza.
And earlier this month, we hosted a webinar that we were able to get a ton of great questions from you all, and we wanted to make sure that we were able to share the answers with all of our brands on Faire. Specifically, we want to talk a little bit more about Faire Direct.
Let's just do a quick reminder before we dive in of what Faire Direct is. Faire Direct is Faire's suite of order taking tools that allow you to take orders from any retailer anywhere. So whether you're taking orders online, at trade shows, in person, at showrooms, wherever you're doing your business, Faire Direct gives you the tools to take orders from those retailers, really meet them where they are, and they'll get all of the benefits of shopping on Faire when you take orders that way. So they'll get net 60 terms, free returns, they'll get a sign-up offer if they're new to the platform, and you won't pay commission on orders that you drive through your Faire Direct tools.
In short, no, you don't need to sign up to use Faire Direct. You can start using the tools to take orders whenever you're ready. That includes a ready-to-use wholesale website that's customized to your brand. There is no added cost to use the Faire Direct tools, and you won't pay commission on orders you drive through these tools if the retailer hasn't shopped from you on Faire before. You'll only pay the processing fees that apply to every order on Faire.
Retailers love the unique benefits that they get when they shop on Faire. So when you give them the option to shop with you through your Faire Direct tools, I bet you'll find that they're thrilled to do so. You will also get to offer all of this to them without paying commission on the orders. And as an added bonus, the more orders you take through Faire Direct, the more we learn about the types of retailers that like your products, and the better we get at surfacing your products to new retailers in the marketplace. It's a win-win. So the two biggest takeaways on why you would want to use Faire Direct are 1, the flexibility to take orders with any retailer anywhere, and 2, the opportunity to extend standout benefits that add value and drive conversion with your customers.
A lot of you are also asking about how you can share your Faire Direct link. For instance, can you share it on any non-Faire channels, or what about D2C channels? The answer is, even if you share your Faire Direct link publicly, on your website, Instagram, or in emails, only logged in retailers will see your wholesale pricing. Everyone else will just see MSRP. That means you can feel confident that you can safely link to your wholesale shop in all of your customer-facing channels without exposing any sensitive pricing. Retail buyers often explore brands the same way consumers do, scrolling Instagram, browsing your site, or replying to your emails. First, adding it to your website. We've seen the most success when brands embed their Faire Direct link directly into their site menu, wherever they're directing wholesale traffic. Brands who take orders through Faire Direct on their sites actually see 50% more sales on Faire. We also have options to add a site widget or button to your site if linking it in your menu doesn't align with your e-commerce strategy. We also recommend you add it to your Instagram bio, website footer, or email signature. And lastly, use a QR code on packaging at events or send it directly to interested retailers straight to your Faire Direct shop.
We've actually been hearing from a lot of brands that sharing their Faire Direct link on social media has been a really effective tool for growth for them. So these brands are making stories that include their Faire Direct link and tell retailers about all of the benefits of shopping with them through that link. And they're saving those as highlights on their Instagram pages and then reposting them about every quarter to re-engage retailers. And we've seen that brands that do this have really seen a ton of growth. So we recommend trying this out. The answer is no. They have the same exact experience and they get the same exact benefits as retailers that find you on the Faire platform. A lot of you are wondering whether or not they can use Faire Direct too. The answer is yes. They are more than welcome to use Faire Direct. We can help you generate links for your sales reps, and that way you can track the orders that are coming through your sales reps and handle commission as you normally do, and you still will not pay commission on the orders that sales reps drive through their Faire Direct links. They will not automatically count if they do not use your Faire Direct tools, but you can submit a commission change request. And as long as you have documentation of that relationship within the timeframes we outlined in our Faire Direct policy, that will still qualify as a Faire Direct relationship and you will not pay commission on orders from those retailers.
There are a few easy ways to find more resources for how to add your Faire Direct link directly to your website. First, in your Help Center. You can simply type in your question and use our virtual AI assistant to find the answers you need, specifically how to go ahead and add these things to your actual website. Next, we have Faire's YouTube. So if you go to our main YouTube page, you'll find at the very bottom, there is a playlist that's ready for you to go ahead and access that shows you all of the how-to videos, including how to add your Faire Direct link to your Shopify website menu. And lastly, we have our Faire blog. You can see here we have tons of information from tips to trends to case studies from all sorts of brands and retailers. Specifically, if you go to the selling section, you can find our Faire Direct 101 resource that will give you everything you need to know about Faire Direct.